You should not close your Etsy shop over Christmas. Here are some of the reasons why. It breaks your SEO. Etsy tells us that putting your shop on vacation mode can result in your listings ranking lower when you open up your shop again. This is because your competition is still getting seen and increasing their listing quality score with sales while your shop isn't. In general, you can overcome this. Tell your followers when you're closing and when you're opening again so you can create some hype and drive some traffic for when you have opened up again. Loss of momentum on social media. Many social media platform posts are fleeting. They're only shown to audiences for a short period of time, or new posts are boosted. So if you stop posting, your engagement will drop. Usually, this picks up again when you post, and even some platforms seem to boost your first post after a wee break, or you can schedule content in advance. Worrying that your repeat customers can't find you and current customers waiting for their items may panic that your shop's been closed and they've been scammed. This is why it's important to communicate. When you put your shop into holiday mode, you can add a message that customers will see when they come to your shop, and you can set a reply for customers who message you. Make sure and explain why your shop isn't there just now and when you'll be opening again. And of course, let your current customers know you're working on their orders and shipping and all the rest of it will be on time. You'll miss sales. I know, especially when it's been a hard year, the idea of shutting your shop and missing those people spending their Christmas money or last minute host gifts for unexpected visits can seem like a big deal. People are still shopping on Etsy towards the end of the year. If you need every penny and you have the time to check your messages every day or remember to set your out of office messages for when you will be busy, and if you can take your products with you if you're visiting family or extend those shipping times, or if you don't ship physical products, it can be worth it to keep your shop open. Over the years on Etsy, I used to keep my shop open, but lately I've put it in vacation mode for a few weeks now. Check out this video for the reasons why to close your shop and let me know in the comments, are you a shop open or closed for Christmas and why?